Here, you said the heat was coming, and it came.
It's here too, yeah. Temperatures mid to 80s today. Let's show you what's going on outside our Windjam Resort camera, Lauderdale by the Sea. That was the place to be today and over the weekend as well. Although it looks like everybody got an early head start getting out. No, there's a few folks still at the beach. It is a nice evening. It's warm and high temperatures today made it into the mid 80s. Many parts of South Florida made it into the 86 to 87 degree range at MIA 85 after a very warm overnight low of 75. Normals are 78 and 63 and about 3 degrees shy of the record at MIA. Fort Lauderdale, Hollywood 85, 76 the morning low, and 84 and 78 in Key West. These lows that we saw this morning, they're more typical of May than they are February. And here's the trend over the past week. We had that one rainy, cool day last week. You may remember it last Wednesday when we only had a high of 75. But ever since then, it's been up and up and up. And today, the warmest so far. I think that's the peak of it, too. Temperatures are going to fall back just a little bit. Winds south to southeast now anywhere from about 9 to 13 miles an hour. Temperatures are still warm. Everybody's in the low to mid 80s. Going to be a very warm and pleasant evening, and just a few showers inland areas of Broward, maybe northern Broward, getting a little bit of shower activity. You can see the clouds all headed from south to north. That southerly wind also helping to keep the humidity around, and the bigger picture showing that there is a front showing up on the satellite right up there to the north. Temperatures north of the front are a bit cooler, but the front is not coming here. We're going to stay warm, just not as warm as today. Cool and showery over much of the south and southeast, 40s, 50s, and 60s in the northeast. Northern New England, cold. Upstate New York, cold. Temperatures in the teens, but southern New England, Pennsylvania, not as bad in the 30s and 40s, and some snow here and there. In the Midwest, winter rolls on, especially the upper Midwest and the northern plains, only single digits, teens and 20s and 30s. As you go from north to south. Our forecast for tonight looking pretty good. It's going to be a warm evening, a few showers still left over. A low near 74 and some fog late tonight. Tomorrow, breezy, sun, warm and humid. High temperature near 84 degrees. So not as warm as today, but definitely still on the warm side. Pollen count showing that everything is moderate. Juniper and oak being the worst offenders and taking us through the weekend. It's looking like much more of the same. We're kind of stuck in this pattern here. Warm and humid days, warm overnights, and maybe a stray shower here or there, but not a big deal. Back